Hey sister girl, welcome back to my channel. ANGELLE here, what it do? And I'm coming to you guys with another unboxing video. So if you want to see what I got, keep on watching. Okay. Alright sister girl, so some of you might know what this is by the size of the bag. But y'all, when I tell you I was coming home and FedEx was pulling up and I was like, I just take that off your hands, bro. He handed me the box. The whole side of the box was just open. Like, I just stuck my hand in and pulled it right out. So here we are. Let's see. Once again. So I got the Coach Tabby 36 in, girl, what's the color? Amber brown. Like, y'all, this bag is just, she's beautiful. She's beautiful. She's not factory wrapped yet again. But we gonna look past that for now, okay? So the first time I ordered this bag, I ordered it in black and it had a big old scratch right here. Went right back to the store. Girl, I think they put that bag back on the floor. True story, but whatever. So here it is in amber brown. I think I like this one better than the black one. I really wish they would have came out with this in the dark brown, because girl, I need a brown bag. I'm on the hunt for a plain brown bag, like no monogram, anything like that. But anyway, y'all, this bag is just, girl, let's take some of this stuff out. Girl, just put on you some little sandals, girl, or just, girl, just, I'm here for my meeting. Like, y'all, this bag is just, this is so pretty. I do have the 33. Do y'all know I just wore this bag? I just wore it a couple months ago. I wore it to my grandmother's funeral. And I'm like, But as you all can see, that the 36 is a little longer. Okay. It doesn't have the top chain straps like the 33 does. Okay, this one does have a huge back pocket. Girl, everything will fit in here. I know your phone, look, this is my fingers. Girl, your phone, everything will fit in here, no problem. Probably two, no problem. Okay. There's a pocket here in the front. Here's a strap. Okay. So there's a pocket right here in the front. You can put your phone in there too. It goes, girl, all the way to the bottom. Here's my finger under the lock. So, yeah, and it does say Coach on here. Okay. Okay, next compartment. Let's pull all of the things out of here. Girl, this thing stretched so wide. Oh my gosh. I wonder if my laptop will fit. I know it'll fit lengthwise. Okay, here's a second compartment. Y'all, this thing stretches so wide, like, girl. Okay, then behind there is this zipper compartment. Girl, let's take all of this out. And y'all know I gotta put all this stuff back in, right? Like, yeah. This one just as big. Okay. Girl, look, another big compartment. Here's the zipper. that I was talking about back here. It goes to the bottom. It got a piece of styrofoam in there. Girl, what am I put in here? Yeah, it's just a big ass bag. Like, and I love it. I love it for us. So, here she is. Empty back compartment with the extra zip pocket right here. The front huge compartment, this little pocket in the front, and you have the bag. And here it is with nothing in it. It's just slouchy. Okay, so let's put the strap on here. So this is a shoulder bag only. You can't crossbody this or anything. Okay, so here it is with the strap on here, nothing in it. I know some people saying when they picked it up, their corners turned up, but I don't have that problem. Maybe if you put something in it, but it fits. God, it's the color for me. Like, I love this. All right, good sis. So let's just see what we can put in here, you know, real quick. So, of course, my phone, we can just put my, y'all know I'm team Android. I don't have time for them iPhone games. My phone fits right here in this front pocket. No problem. Okay, let's see. I have 2 notebooks, journals, whatever. That just made it hella heavy. But y'all see how that just slipped off? Uh-oh. Okay. So the 2 notebooks are in here in the back compartment. Maybe I should put them in the front. I don't know. Okay, and this the first big section, my toiletry 15, my mini pochette, my wallet, glasses, girl, all this, I don't want nothing to fall, but all of that's right there. All of that is right there. The toiletry 15, the mini pochette, my wallet, and my glasses are all right here. Like, this is something I would never do, but maybe like a lotion that would fit right here on the top. Girl. Now I see what people are saying, how the corners turn up. Okay, so I see maybe it's too full, because this thing is hella heavy. So, let's take these out. And this lotion, because that's stuff that I would never carry, you know what I'm saying? Let's move the toiletry and the mini pochette to the back. Y'all know, weight distribution, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know I'm in logistics, so I'm in transportation, so. Okay, so here we go. So the corners do still turn up, but I'm not really tripping about it. Yeah, I love this bag. I love, girl, Yeah, she's good. She's a good one. So I don't believe that my iPad will fit. I think my iPad is too tall. Let's go find her. One moment. Alright, so I went and got my iPad. So my iPad is in the back here with the toiletry and the Nolita. I mean the Benny Pouchette. Girl, the iPad fit. Girl, the iPad. Girl, the iPad fits. Oh my God, y'all. What do y'all think of this bag? What do y'all, do y'all have one? Are y'all getting one? Like, we need to dress her. Y'all need to get some charms. I want that pretzel charm. That 150 is eating at my spirit. But I might have to get it. Okay? But, y'all, we're going to have to dress her up because she's so good. Yes. Come on, Coach. Now, that's it, Coach. You done got enough of our coins for now. Pause, okay? Pause. But, y'all, what do we think? We love it. Alright, good sis, so that concludes this unboxing video, this what fits video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Love y'all, and I will see y'all later. Bye.